Hey guys, Anthony here, YouTube, Bibles and Barbells. Last night I thought there were some thunderstorms rolling in, so I decided to take my DD hammock and tarp outside and set it up before the storm. However, I did get everything set up, like you see here, but it did not end up storming out. But I ended up getting up, everything within about 15-20 minutes, which is pretty good to set both these up. I did stay out here most of the night last night. I had some firewood that got wet in the recent tropical storm. So last night I had a small fire going with some debris and leaves and stuff that I had in the yard, and then I tried to burn some of this wood and it was just too wet, so I had to let the fire go out. So what I'm doing today is I'm batoning using my Glock knife. I'm batoning some of this wood in order to have it dry out quicker, and so hopefully tonight it'll burn a lot better when I go to make my fire, because I do plan on staying out here again tonight. So we'll be back. I'll baton a couple pieces with the Glock knife and show you how that works. Alright guys, got the Glock knife. Put some paracord around the case here, but basically I'm using the Glock knife to baton some of the wood. So just give you a quick example how this works. And I want to dry this wood out in some smaller pieces for tonight. Let's try a bigger one. It's a lot bigger piece here. This knife really takes a licking. There we go. That was a tough one. But as you can see, this knife, and the wood's real wet. You can see some of the water here on the knife. But one of the things I like about this knife is it's really well put together. Even though we got the serrated edges up here, they sell the one with the straight edge. I'd much rather have the straight edge, but this is the one I have. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to continue batoning some of this wood, and we'll come back later on and show you some more of our campsite setup for tonight. Alright, thanks for joining me.